Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Runaway by Loleatta Holloway. The track is a 1977 South Soul disco classic and was successfully covered by Nuyorican Soul back in the late 1990s. The song is written by Ronnie James and Vince Montana and was performed by the South Soul Orchestra featuring Loleatta Holloway on vocals. Okay, so the South Soul Orchestra was a group formed of about 50 musicians who initially consisted of many original members of MFSB. Now, these were the Philadelphia-based musicians who worked extensively with Kenny Gamble and Leon Hoff, forming the Philadelphia sound, and backed groups such as Harold Melvin and the Blue Note Stylistic, Teddy Pendergrass, Billy Paul, and many more. Their biggest hit was The Sound of Philadelphia. The South Soul Orchestra was a big influence in big band disco, later house music, and it fused Philly soul with funk and Latin music. Vince Montana was the founder and linchpin of the South Soul Orchestra. He was a vibraphonist, a percussionist, composer, arranger, producer, did a lot. In the 1950s, he played the jazz clubs with greats such as Clifford Brown, Sarah Vaughan and Red Garland. In the 1960s, he played vibes on hits such as Frankie Avalon's Venus, the Delphonics' La 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 Means I Love You, and in the 1970s, he played on hits such as the Stylistics' Better by Golly Wow and William DeVaughn's Be Thankful for What You've Got. But much more. This tutorial will look at the album version of Runaway, which is over 10 minutes long. I'll try and keep it as short as I can. I have transcribed a chunk of Vince Montana's fabulous vibe solo. It was just an opportunity I couldn't resist. I'm using the Fender Rhodes sounds. Songs in the key of E major isn't too difficult, but some nice chord arrangements. As usual, you'll find the song arrangement and basic chord sheet in the description box below this video. So, if you're finding these videos helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button, which will alert you to any uploads and other content there might be. So here we go. Here's an example of how I might play it.